Wait, what is this? A walking stick? Or is it a candy? Let's find out together. Let's make this big curvy shape. Nice and smooth. Good job. Oh, wait, now it's looking like a candy cane. Yum! I'm already hungry. Now let's add some stripes. 1, 2, 3. Keep going.
Help me! Help me! Nigga!
Wow, now it looks even sweeter. This candy is getting fancy.
Wow!
But wait, something is missing. Let's give it a cute bow. Help me to get 500 subscribers. Thank you. Draw one side, nice and round. Now the other side. Make it big and pretty. Oh wow, this candy is dressed up now, looking like it's ready for a party. Let's add the middle part and the hanging ribbons. Nice, keep going. Wow, this looks so cool. And now, let's make everything bold. Trace it nicely, don't rush.
Woo!
Oh, wow, now it looks perfect. And done, look at that. A super cute candy with a bow.